Are you wondering what's in this jar? Well, I'll tell you. It's 52 date night ideas that you can use with your partner, with yourself, or with your friends and family so you can enhance your activities and create better memories and experiences with those people. So this is a pre-made jar. It's actually made by Hallmark. Wow. But this is such a cute concept. I absolutely love this concept. You can make it on your own. You could just get a little jar and put your 52 date night ideas that you would love to do on your own and create your own. Let me know in the comments below if you end up being crafty and making your own food. On to date night idea number 1. Find a walking trail on the other side of town. Basically, go on a walk with your loved one. Turn up the music and put on a karaoke concert to your favorite songs. Air guitar, anyone? Make out in a drive-through car wash. 5 fountains to toss coins in and make wishes for each other. The 2 of you prepare an around-the-world meal, each course from a different country. A 2-person luau, complete with frozen drinks, ukulele music, and hula dancing. Ooh, this one seems very fun actually. Enjoy a meal that has to be eaten entirely with toothpicks. Charcuterie, anybody? Buy a lottery ticket and spend all of dinner time deciding how you spend that prize money. So that one's cute because it's a little goal-setting activity where you visualize your dreams and goals. I like that. So far, so good. This little jar is actually quite cute. Next, find a place to pick your own fruit and then make a pie together. Okay, that one's very, very sweet. I really like that. Write each other love letters before bed, then read them the next morning when you wake up. Love this so far. They're so sweet, so romantic. That's not really a date night, that's just kind of an activity, but ooh, this one's a little spicy. Wear the sexy underwear. Get a wholesale club membership and make an entire meal out of free samples. Ooh, basically go to Costco or well, I don't think BJ's has free samples. Visit a farmer's market and buy ingredients to make dinner. Get some flowers too. Learn to say I love you in 5 other languages. Some super weird food together. This one is right up my alley. I'm a huge foodie, so I would love to try some weird food as a date night activity. How cool is that? Bake a new cookie recipe together, then eat the cookies together. Drive out in the country and look at the stars. Oh, Hallmark. Hallmark has some really good suggestions over here. Plan scavenger hunts for each other. Hallmark has my heart. All weekend putting a puzzle together. Oh, I've actually been really wanting to do that. Lately, I've been wanting to do puzzles. So I might do that just with myself as a self-care date night activity. Next, take a selfie somewhere you've never been before. In Paris, cook your own French meal together. Have a spontaneous at-home movie night. Pick your movie and snacks with your eyes closed for extra fun. I love that. Have a dollar menu feast at your fave fast food restaurant. Love that. Just get a bunch of dollar menu things. Go sing some bad karaoke or just watch and giggle. A horse ride at a nearby stable. Or dwarves, or dwarves, or dwarves. How do you say that word? Let me know in the comments below. I can never say that word. For dinner, cocktails optional. Make each other lunch and put a sexy note inside. Ooh, spicy. Go for a Sunday bike ride. Absolutely love that. Road trip around your town and eat dinner at a drive-thru. That one's cute. I love like local dates and local things, maybe just like driving around. Or drive in an area you've never been to before. Similar to that one where you could actually tag team those two and just go for a drive around town and discover new parts of your own city. So all these dates are so fun. I would totally do these by myself too. Like if my partner wasn't with me and I wanted something fun to do, I would definitely use some of these ideas for myself because there are some of these things that I've actually never done before. Pie, 2 forks, and go. Love sharing meals. Wild card. Ooh, this one can mean literally anything. What would you put in your wild card? This date night jar so far, I don't know if it's because Hallmark is the manufacturer of this item, of these date nights in a jar, but it's definitely giving me romanticize your life vibes. When you think about it, we should be romanticizing our lives because YOLO, and when you think about YOLO, you only live once, so let's romanticize the crap out of our lives. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every person that takes the time and watches my videos. If you like content like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing, and I will see you on the next video.